Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today we will be unboxing the NG models Copa Airlines 737-800. This is an ER variant with the split scimitars. On the bottom here we have the registration, picture of the aircraft, and the item number here. The side, this is from the place I bought it from. That's the day that they got it in, so it is an older release. The top here is all white with a picture of the airplane, the registration, and the type of plane. And this side is the same as this, but without the sticker from the manufacturer or from the store. Alright, so here's the back of the box. Just have the places to find NG models on Facebook and Instagram, their website, and the licensing. So, let's go ahead and open this up. And here is the model. This model does have a loose wing. You can see that a little bit. That is the only thing I have found with NG models, is that it's just on their 737 mold. So far that I found is that almost every single 737 has a loose wing. I don't know why, but almost all of mine have come with loose wings. So here is the Copa Airlines name, the Star Alliance logo, the silver stripe that goes straight through the middle. Got the CFM56 engines. There are the split scimitars that are just blue on the inside and outside. The main landing gear. And back here we have the registration of Hotel Papa 1838 Charlie Mike Papa. So back here we have the Copa Airlines tail design. It almost looks like a globe with some gold stripes. Here we have a flag of where it's registered. Then on the top we have two antennas. On the bottom there is three. There's two back here. All the ones on the bottom are red, are painted red. We have the skid plate back here. On the bottom it is all gray with no hole for a stand. I'm not sure why that is, but there's no hole for a stand to go into. So let's get some measurements here. The length is about 4 inches or 10 centimeters, and the width is about 9.5 centimeters or just over 3.5 inches wide. So here we have the Copa Airlines 737-800, the split scimitars. And here it is next to my Delta 737-800 non-ER, so it does not have the split scimitars. There it is. They're next to each other. The biggest difference between these two is that the Delta one has 2 Wi-Fi boxes, and the Copa Airlines one has none. And then also, the Delta has no split scimitars, and the Copa Airlines one does. And also, here's a Delta 737-900 next to it, which is longer but also has these split scimitars. And that one has a Wi-Fi box as well. So that will conclude this unboxing video, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!